Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best finish nailers that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best finish nailers. There are a few different types of nailers to choose from, including framing nailers, roofing nailers, siding nailers, finish nailers and brad nailers. In this article, we'll explore the world of finish nailers. Number 5. DeWalt D51257K 16-gauge finish nailer. This finish nailer uses 16-gauge nails between 1 inch and 2.5 inches long, and perhaps even size 8D, without any problems. Main features: reasonably priced. No MAR-tip. 360 adjustable exhaust. Number 4. Numax SFN64 finish nailer. It offers an ergonomic design, tool-less depth adjustment, a sequential actuation trigger, and adjustable exhaust. Even the gauge and range of nails are the same for both machines. Main features: extremely economical. Quick jam release. Tool-less depth adjustment. Number 3. Paslow 900 2400 angled. This machine accepts 20 degrees angled 16-gauge nails between 1.25 inches and 2.5 inches long. So, you can't use 2D nails with this nailer. Main features: reasonable price. Tool-free jam clearing. Angled magazine. Number 2. Hitachi NT65 MA4 finish nail gun. This machine is the actuation mode selection switch. Using the switch, you can easily shift from sequential mode to bump mode without any trouble. It has a no MAR-tip, and adjustable exhaust. Main features: actuation mode selector, tool-free depth adjustment, air duster. Number 1. Palrite Basic 100191 finish nailer. The 100191 includes a no MAR-tip, an anti-dry fire mechanism, a 360 degrees adjustable exhaust. Main features: extremely inexpensive. Anti-dry fire mechanism. 260 adjustable exhaust. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.